Hello, my name is Robert Taylor. In 1997, I developed a software program that produces stock market forecasts with very high degree of accuracy. No other service can come close to the accuracy of our forecast. If you want to know which way the markets will be moving, we're the only service that can provide you with that valuable information. We provide access to 17-day forecasts for over 20,000 of the most popularly traded symbols. As a subscriber, you will have the ability to request forecasts anytime, any day, 24/7 by using our website or our mobile app. Within minutes, you will receive the forecast that you requested. The most important advantage of using our forecast is you will know which way the markets will be moving 1 week or more in advance. Sound too good to be true? It's not. Just to make it even better, we also provide multi-monthly and multi-yearly forecasts for the U.S. markets, so you will know what to expect long term. A lot of options traders have used these forecasts to their advantage. It isn't hard to see why. We produced this multi-monthly forecast in September of 2017. It suggests that we should see the S&P 500 index move up until January 2018, then move down until March, then up from there. This real-time chart window shows what happened after we published the September 2017 multi-monthly forecast. As you can see, no other service can provide this type of expert guidance. Actually, there is no other person or company that can even come remotely close to what we do. They can only provide commentary after the market has already made its move. We've heard all the analysts speak after the fact. What good is that? Only we can tell you what is going to happen, not take guesses at what happened afterwards. At X9T Forecast Service, it's not new. We have been publishing our forecast since February 2006. The thousands of subscribers who have used our forecast consist of professional traders at various exchanges, portfolio managers, futures and options traders, brokerage firms, and even funds have used our forecast in order to build baskets of stocks, trade, or even use our forecast as a means for hedging during long-term downtrends. Our forecast accuracies average over 85% for over a decade now. No one else has or ever could come close to this type of efficiency. If you look at the top 100 market services, they are averaging roughly 47.8% accuracy. You can see why our forecast and our empirical record speaks for itself. Now with over 600 U.S. market forecasts that you can verify at x9t.com, and with the hundreds of Forex forecasts produced, you will understand why the thousands of our subscribers have continued to use our forecast as an incredible advantage with helping them make trading decisions. This graph is an example of one of the hundreds of our 17-day forecasts. This forecast was produced on January 9, 2018 for the ES futures market. This forecast shows the direction and duration for this market. In this real-time example, we expected the E-mini futures market to move up until January 15, 2018 and then move down from there. We update each forecast between 6 and 9 days so that if the dynamics of the market changes during a trend, our programs will reflect a more accurate future forecast. This real-time chart window shows what happened after we published the January 9th forecast. As you can see, the market followed the forecast with near perfection. We produce roughly 54 forecasts each year, so with the accuracy being so high, we have hundreds of examples in our websites that show similar or even better results. As I mentioned, no one else in the world can provide this type of valuable information. Because of the ever-changing market dynamics, our subscribers can request forecasts on a daily basis, so that if the market conditions change the outcome of the future forecast, our subscribers have the opportunity to know in advance if there is any correction in the forecast direction, and where the anticipated highs and lows are expected during the upcoming weekly trends. In other words, the Xyber9 programs are adaptable and can catch in advance changes in the market direction. I believe you can understand how this information can be invaluable as a trader. Whether it's futures trading, options trading, or simply buying or selling ETFs, indexes, individual stocks, or any other type of marketable instrument. There are many benefits to being one of our subscribers. You will have the ability to use our forecast request service in order to request a 17-day forecast for any of the over 20,000 symbols in our symbol universe. That's any day, 24/7. The symbols included for the U.S. equity markets are the Dow, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Russell, and thousands of other types of symbols that trade in the U.S. markets, including indexes, ETFs, all individual stock symbols, futures, and currency symbols. We also provide 17-day forecasts for the most popularly traded currency and forex markets, such as the British pound US dollar, the euro US dollar, and the US dollar yen. We have just launched our newest service called Intraday Forecast. These forecasts are very unique due to they provide intraday trends, one day in advance. By using our forecast request service, you can now request a single day forecast for over 10,000 symbols in our symbol universe. That's right. You'll have the access to a single day forecast 24/7 that can provide you with what the market should look like during the next trading day. It's like having tomorrow's Wall Street Journal today. This intraday forecast was produced on April 22, 2018. It shows what an intraday forecast should look like for the next day, April 23rd. This real-time chart window shows the results for the ES futures market for April 23rd. The trades provided are for display purposes only and are meant to demonstrate the tradability of our intraday forecast and not to provide trading advice. Intraday forecasts can be affected by noise due to the short-term effect. Due to many shocks that affect the markets on a daily basis, such as reports, announcement, geopolitical situations, and other factors that causes gaps or spikes in the price throughout a single day. In addition to our trading experience, or by using an indicator, you can verify your trades. The intraday forecast can help you scalp profits on an intraday basis. We have a great deal of technical information on our website at x9t.com. This information will provide you with a complete understanding of how our technology was developed, information about myself, my book Paradigm that describes the discovery that led to developing the software programs that produce all of our forecasts, and tips on how to use the Xyber9 forecast to your advantage. Once you become a member, you will have a wide range of information available to you, including Q&As, frequently asked questions, our X9T Learning Center that will help answer any questions that you have. We also include a section called the Knowledge Base that provides suggestions and answers to just about any questions that you might need. The subscription service includes access to our forecast request service 24/7, 17-day trend forecasts, single-day intraday forecasts, market commentary, support and resistance lines for the U.S. markets, and tech supports. Based on our experience, we are quite positive that the resources included in our website and our forecasts will have an enormous effect on your trading results. I'd like to thank you for joining me for these few minutes, and I hope you will come aboard to gain access to the greatest trading advantage that has ever been available. Thank you very much.